Varda Sharma, editor Newsband, daily English newspaper of Navi Mumbai. As we all are aware, the COVID-19 cases are surging all across Maharashtra. In Panvel and surrounding areas too, the cases are rising. To understand the situation and also the measures that are being implemented, we have with us the Commissioner of Panvel City Municipal Corporation, Mr. Sudhakar Deshmukh. Welcome, sir.
Namaskar.
Sir, as we know that the cases are rising even in PCMC jurisdiction, can you please let us know what is the current status and what measures are being undertaken to control and curb this?
It is noticed in all over Maharashtra that the second surge of COVID-19 cases is there, and everywhere cases are increasing. In Panvel today there are around 300 cases. Yesterday there were around 250 cases. We noticed that number is quite increasing.
So how is PCMC prepared to tackle this surge? I mean, in terms of the COVID centers, medical and paramedical staff, and also the availability of medicine.
PMC is a newly established corporation, from 1st October 2016, the corporation came into the existence. Very limited staff with the corporation, and there is no medical staff at that time. But after coming into existence, the government approved the NUHM scheme, and from that scheme, we got some nurses, very limited number of doctors, and medical staff. You know that the pandemic, for pandemic, we people started working in March 2020. At that time, the first case came on 10th March 2020. Almost we completed 1 year, and in that period, corporation tried everything possible so that we can give the best service to citizens of Panvel Municipal Corporation. We don't have hospital, and hence we taken over the sub-district hospital of the government of Maharashtra, where we made the facility available for 150 COVID patients. After that, corporation took over 2 hospitals. First was taken the MGM Hospital, Kamote, and when it is noticed that the number was increasing at that time, and the facility was not sufficient for the increasing number, and hence we made the facility of around 100 oxygenated and ICU beds at D.Y. Patil, Nerul. Though it was outside the municipal limit, we made it available, and corporation tried to give the very good service to most of the patients found in Panvel Municipal Corporation area.
We know that the best and effective way to control the rising cases is to follow the COVID-19 protocols and also to speed up the vaccination process. So how is the vaccination drive going on in your jurisdiction?
Panvel, if you see figures of Raigad district, you will notice that more than 50% vaccination is completed in Panvel Municipal Corporation area. We established around 10 private hospital vaccination centers, and also 6 centers of the municipal corporation where free vaccination facilities made available. Government has provided a facility for comorbid person whose age is more than 45% and senior citizens whose age is more than 60. And almost we are working at 100% capacity on all vaccination centers. Our work of vaccination for health workers as well as frontline workers is almost completed, and we are working at top efficiency level.
And the neighboring civic bodies, they have now imposed some stricter restrictions. In fact, whether it is in malls and departmental stores and even in marketplaces, they have started introducing the random antigen testing. Is Panvel planning to do something like this?
Basically, we put certain restrictions from 15th of March, and we instructed to close all private establishments before 10 p.m. and restaurants before 11 p.m. every day. Recently, number is again increasing, and New Mumbai Corporation as well as some more corporations tried to control in malls and big establishments by imposing more restrictions. On similar line, PMC will impose such a restrictions, and the decision I will take such decision today only.
And Holi is just round the corner. So any guidelines that have been issued with regards to the celebration?
The guidelines Mumbai Corporation issued yesterday, similar guidelines will be issued for PMC also.
May we know what exactly are those guidelines?
No celebration of Holi as well as जो second day रंग पंचमी जो है उसका सेलिब्रेशन लोगों ने नहीं करने का है. इसके लिए हमारा इंस्ट्रक्शन जो MCGM ने जो दिया है वही हिसाब से होगा.
What message would you like to give to the citizens?
Basically, one more thing I will mention here. We tried one new trick when there were so many patients during July and August. At that time, when our people reached every home and tried to isolate people or instructed to take tests at our testing center, many people tried to keep themselves away from testing. And hence, we prepared 6 mobile teams and 6 vehicles were provided. In one vehicle, one doctor, one technician, one nurse, and one class 4 servant. When we got the list from ICMR, we were sending team to the residence of that person, and we started testing these people at their home only. At that time, this team was with medicines for COVID, and when it was noticed that the person in the family is also positive, at that time they had started giving medicines, and due to that, immediate testing and immediate medicines kept the CFR of Panvel at lowest level. And it is a good achievement for us that we gave medicine at home and we kept the death rate in control.
Are there any plans, because there have been requests from the citizens that those who are unable to go to the vaccination centers because of their age or illnesses, are there any plans to introduce some mobile facilities, as you are mentioning, for vaccination as well?
Basically, in vaccination protocol, it is mentioned that vaccination shall be given in multi-speciality hospital or where doctors are available. Because after vaccination, the person shall be kept in observation for 30 minutes. And it is not possible if we provide such facility in mobile van or at home. And hence, central government has not issued certain such guidelines. If central government permits, then such facility can be provided. But due to the vaccination protocol, we avoided it.
So once again, what message would you like to give to the citizens? Because we feel, and it is observed that the COVID-19 protocols are being violated by the citizens. There is a lapse in attitude. So what message would you like to give, especially also in view of the upcoming festival?
Basically, since 1 year, our Prime Minister, our Chief Minister, government authorities, every collector, every municipal commissioner, telling everybody that I am responsible for everything. This thing shall be percolated in the public. That three things shall be done for COVID control. First is using the mask. Second is social distancing, and third is the sanitation or hand wash. We are not learned for these 3 things for more than a year. And hence, this is again my request that everybody shall follow these 3 rules. Otherwise, you can't protect yourself, your family members, your loved ones from COVID-19. Please follow this protocol.
Thank you so much, sir, for giving us your time. And the viewers, We request once again all of you to please follow all the COVID-19 protocols. Stay safe and stay healthy. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.